Hi, I'm Vinny Verga, Regional Manager with Floors and Kitchens Today. And today we're going to talk about the General Moisture Meter, which is a great tool that all of our staff are trained to use and that I encourage anyone who's doing their project themselves to pick up before starting the project. A moisture meter is designed to allow you to get a humidity reading of any wall or floor that you're intending to replace with new material. And it's important because a lot of products, whether it be ceramic or even waterproof floors, require certain humidity levels, and anything beyond that, the manufacturer won't back the warranty. So the first step is to get one of these devices, or to have the sales representative who's doing your measure for you take a reading when they're there. And then the second step is to check with the manufacturer and make sure that within the reading that you have, the product will work. Online, you can find general guidelines for hardwood, tile, and vinyl, but in general, it's good to check with each manufacturer, as each has slight variations depending upon their product and the test they've done on seeing how well it does with moisture. For example, I could take the wall, I can take the device and get a reading, and click hold, and it will tell me that this particular wall only has 1% moisture, so it would be great for tile. Alternatively too, I can take the floor and do the same thing by changing the setting to match what it is that I'm measuring, and there's 4 different settings, and I can hold. Now the floor is 59%, and this is a concrete-based subfloor, so that makes sense, but at 59%, it's still within industry regulations and guidelines recommended for tile. So this is the MM8, which is something that you can find on Amazon or an online retailer around $50. And it's a great investment if you're thinking of doing the project, because $50 towards something that's a high investment, making sure that it's going to last for you, is well worth it.